Good afternoon, one and all. In the last lecture, we have discussed about introduction of MATLAB. Sorry. In the last lecture, we have discussed on introduction of MATLAB, then how to plot a common signals, plotting of a signals, plotting of signals with different colors, plotting of multiple signals, subplot. So that's all we have discussed in the last lecture. So any questions you are having in the last related to last practical? Anybody has any question related to last practical? किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है क्या?
No, sir.
If you have any questions, please ask me. वीडियो चालू करना पड़ेगा क्या? I have not started with the video. Just a minute. So today we will discuss with the second experiment. So you just note down the title of the second experiment. So this is the title. Hope my is screen visible. Screen share किया नहीं है ना मैंने. Okay. Is the screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you please note down the title, this one. Or have you noted?
Yes, sir.
So these are all the basic signals. So we need to plot using MATLAB.
फोटो 0 काय आहे ते म्हणजे कळलं नाही.
हा आता आपला सायनोसायडल सिग्नल मी सांगतो मॅडम तुम्हाला, प्रोग्राम घेतल्यानंतर सांगतो. राईट, रिझल्ट कसा चेंज होतो टीच्या मुळे मी सांगतो तुम्हाला. राईट, आता व्हॉट हॅपन्ड इज हिअर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टी इक्वल्स टू 0 to 1 घेतलाय आम्ही. मग टीचा लिमिट मॅक्सिमम काय आहे? 0 to 1. आणि हे 0.001 इज लाईक अ स्टेप साइज. सो इट इज इन्क्रीजिंग बाय 0.001. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट इट इज इंडिकेशन. ठीक आहे, लेट्स रन दिस प्रोग्राम नाउ.
बस की इथं आता आधीच कंटाळा आलाय मला. का काढलं यार झाड ते? बडवे काय करते ती रेणुका? तुझ्या सोबतच आहे का सीएला?
Madam, who's that? So unmute your mics. Mute your mics. So here it is asking for, like, these are the questions are asked here again, right? पहला क्या value है? Enter the value of frequency. Like suppose if I am taking frequency value as 50, so let's take it as 50. Okay, then enter the value of amplitude. If you want amplitude as 2, so let's take it as 2. Okay, then this is your signal. Understood? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Yes, sir.
सिग्नल दिख रहा है आप लोगों को अभी? ये अपना साइनोसॉइडल सिग्नल है. सी हियर द वैल्यू इज 0 to 1 फॉर द टी. अगर मैंने टी का वैल्यू चेंज कर दिया है, लेट अस चेंज दिस वैल्यू. लेट्स टेक इट इज अप टू 10 और इसका स्पेसिफिकेशन ये कम कर देता हूं मैं, 0.1 कर देता हूं. राइट, सो लेट अस सी अगेन. तो और एक बार इसको सेव करना पड़ेगा हमें, देन रन इट अगेन. सो अगेन इट इज आस्किंग फॉर द फ्रीक्वेंसी वैल्यू, then it is asking for the amplitude value. Let's take 2, then your signal is this way. ऐसा चेंज होता है. Understood purpose of defining t?
Yes, sir.
मतलब जसं जसं आपलं t चा व्हॅल्यू चेंज होत जातो, नेचर ऑफ द सिग्नल विल गेट चेंज. क्लियर? स्टिल एनी क्वेश्चन?
सर,
हा,
तिथं म्हणजे आपण व्हॅल्यू फ्रिक्वेन्सीची एंटर करतो पण डायरेक्ट ते प्रोग्राम मध्येच नाही का लिहिता येत?
टाकू शकतो, काही अडचण नाही. डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो यू कॅन राईट हियर, लाईक f
Yes.
equals to 50, a equals to 2, directly also you can take, no problem. Sometimes what will happen, like why I have given this option is you can check for different values. So कैसा होता है, if you are taking it for only f equals to 50 here directly, right? So you can plot a signal for 50. So if you want to change the value, so then you can change here, right? Multiple values you can go. So like suppose if I wanted to plot it for 100 frequency, like let's take 100 hertz, or it's like I'm taking that part and अभी 5 ले लेते हैं यहाँ पे. So this is the signal. ऐसा अगर आपका फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ रहा है यहाँ पे, तो क्या होता है, टाइम पीरियड कम होते जाता है. राइट, दैट आल्सो यू कैन डू. स्टिल एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
You just note down here output part, what you are writing. What are things you need to write in the output? Enter the value of frequency. You just write output after the program. You just write the output there. Enter value of frequency. Let's take it is, once again I will just run it. Enter value of frequency. Let's take it is only 20. Okay, अगर like suppose if I want to suppress this, अगर वो दिखना नहीं चाहिए आपको, so you can suppress it here, right? You can suppress the output of this, तो वो दिखेगा नहीं वहां पे repeatedly. Then next, okay, it's not there. So next क्या है आपका? Enter amplitude 5 this way, right? So this is how the sinusoidal signal we are getting. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any question here? What is the output you have written? What is the output you have written for this first program?
Enter the value of frequency, then enter the value of amplitude, and then waveform.
Waveform you just plot as a sinusoidal signal with the amplitude as phi, and the time period is from like frequency is here 20 we are taking. So time period what will happen? Time period कितना आता है?
1/20.
1/20 it is, right? So in that part you have to write the sinusoidal signal. Okay. So anybody has any question here? Hope everyone has noted the program. दिखता है क्या program सबको लिखने के लिए?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us go for the second part. Next part क्या करना है हमें? If I want to go for next signal, which is our next signal? Ramp signal अगर मुझे plot करना है, right? If I want to change, if I want to go for the ramp signal, तो क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ पे? Ramp का definition हमें पता है, right? So this way we can take this part. I will take there. अभी यहाँ पे इसके बाद we'll just add this, right? So first part, this already we have plotted for what? Sinusoidal signal. And second, what I am taking is R equals to T, right? So here R equals to T, I am just writing, and the value of T is getting varied here. And the plot, we are taking T with respect to R, and X label is again time, Y level amplitude, and the title is continuous ramp signal. तो सिर्फ ये पार्ट चेंज हुआ अपना अभी, राइट? कैन यू राइट डाउन दीज लाइंस? तो ये लाइन लिख लो अभी. And this is what a ramp signal here, which is starting from 0 and linearly growing up to one value of T. ठीक है? Any confusion? Any question here? Anybody has any question?
No, sir.
Shall I proceed to the next part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move to the next part. So next part is we need to plot a unit step signal, right? So we need to plot a unit step signal. So here unit step signal, what we are doing is T with respect to A, we are plotting it as amplitude signal. So that means let's take, this is a unit step signal. Let's write it here. Third one. Just note down this third part. So here subplot 3, 1, 3. What it is indicating? Again 3 rows, 1 column, and third figure. We are plotting as a unit step signal. So अब unit step signal के लिए what is expected? What do you mean by unit step signal? What do you mean by unit step signal?
U of t equal to 1.
U of t equals to 1 for what value?
T is greater than or equal to 0.
for t is greater than or equals to 0. Okay. So now how the graph is expected here?
Straight line.
Straight line with the
One
amplitude
amplitude.
A, with the amplitude of A may be whatever it is, right? Have you noted this part? Third one, third part, have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Others? I'm not getting any response from anybody else.
Yes, sir, noting.
Noting or noted?
Noted.
Okay. Now let us save this program again and run it. Again, enter the frequency. Let's take it is 50. Then amplitude is, let's take it is 5. आया समझ में? So here the amplitude of this signal is 5. 5 amplitude लिया है मैंने, तो ये signal का amplitude 5 है आपका. Okay. So this is what our unit step signal. Any question here? Anybody has any question, any doubt? You please ask. So this is the way how we are plotting a continuous time sinusoidal signal, continuous time ramp signal, and continuous time unit step signal. So can anyone tell me, to plot all these signal, what are the main requirements? क्योंकि कुछ line like these lines will be remaining same for all the part, right? ये line same है, हर एक program के लिए part same ही रहेगा. But the only thing is, what the plotting we are performing, that line will get changed, and where you want that graph, whether it is figure 3 or figure 2, so that line will change. Rest all thing will remain same. Yes. Any question? Anybody has any doubt here again? Now should I ask the question? Suppose if I want to, this is what we have plotted it for a continuous time signal. Now suppose if I want to plot it for discrete time signal, so what are the changes we need to make? You tell me now. With the existing program, suppose if I want to plot it for discrete time signal, all the three same graphs. So how do I write the program? Who will tell me? कौन बताएंगे मुझे अभी?
Plot चे the stem लिहायचं.
Okay, instead of plot, we have to take a stem. Very good. What else again?
Title change करायचं.
Title also you need to change. Instead of continuous time signal, you have to change discrete time signal. Okay. What else?
Plot with respect to n.
Plot with respect to n means instead of t, we have to take it as a n. Okay. Our coach? Anything else? Can we do that now? Instead of this t, I am just writing it as n. Okay, first point. Why I am taking n? As I wanted to plot it for discrete time signal. Okay. Then here, instead of t, I need to change it as n. Hope you are all getting. जहां जहां t है उसको मैं small n से replace कर रहा हूं, right? And I am just changing the title as dt. Understood? Any difficulty in this part? So ये first line will remain same for all the programs. So here frequency I kept it as it is, or n value I have changed 0 to 1. Then again subplot will remain same, and y is equals to, instead of t I have just taken it as n. I am plotting n with respect to y. Yes? Yes or no?
येस सर, तिथे प्लॉटच्या जागी स्टेम नाही
Yes,
करणार.
in a plot, instead of plot, I need to take it as a stem. Okay, very good. और कुछ चेंज करना है? Anything else we can do here?
नो सर.
Okay, so let us check for the first plot. तो पहला डायग्राम देखते हैं अपना कैसा दिखता है, right? So let us clear the previous one. Then let us save the changes, then run it. Again, it is asking frequency is, let's write the 20. Then amplitude is, let's write it is 6. 20 के लिए बहुत ये ले रहा है वैल्यू, राइट? सो आई नीड टू चेंज द वैल्यू. ठीक है, वैल्यू चेंज करेंगे हम. ओके, so that is for the below diagram, it is showing that way. So here, okay, let me run it once again. Let's take 100, then 6. What happened to this? Discrete time sinusoidal signal, it is getting continuous. Y equals to sin 2 pi f into n. Okay. Okay, n equals to 1 to 50 has taken here. n का वैल्यू हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Length of the step signal I need to write. Length of the step signal I need to write here. So n comma y. Okay, that is also required. No problem. Okay, so here this value we need to change that 0 1 to 50. अगर आपको सिग्नल प्लॉट प्रॉपर दिखना है तो यहाँ पे, so let's write it is 0 1 and 50. Let's see this, what will happen. Frequency is again 20. Amplitude is 2. Let's check. See, this way you are getting the signal, right? This is our discrete time signal. Okay. Now अगर हर जगह पे आपको ये करना है यहाँ पे, so here one more point he has added, like samples कितना चाहिए आपको, number of samples, how many you want, n is equals to. Let me take that part. आपका input sample, how many you are expecting, so that we can write here. Okay, then I think frequency also he has taken the way. Okay, then let us run this program. Let's save this part, run it now. So let us keep the frequency 50 and this is 6, and enter the length of the step signal. That is, let's take length of the step signal is 5. Okay. Our length we are writing it is instead of 5, so we can write it at the different value again. तो मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे let me write directly f equals to 50 For time being, we will take it is like 5. Let me suppress these values. Suppress कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. Then let us save it and run it. Length of the step signal, let's take it is 1. तो ये ऐसा आता है signal अभी. Okay. So this is what our discrete time signal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
है ना. तो अभी like the same way we will do it for all other types, all other parts. So what I can do here, तो ये error क्यों दिखा रहा है कि नीचे हमारा अभी complete नहीं हुआ ना. So I have just plotting it for the first part. तो अभी second part के लिए what I need to do? What I need to do here, can anyone tell me? For ramp signal क्या करना पड़ेगा? What modification I need to do here? Yes. क्या modification करना है? For ramp signal, instead of t, I need to write it as n. Then instead of t again, I need to write it as n. Then this will be the discrete time signal, discrete time ramp signal. And this is, instead of t, it will be n. Then it will be discrete time signal again. Right? Hope you understood. Any doubt here or any question? So I am plotting it for ramp signal as well as the unit step sequence. Okay. So let us save it and run the program.
सर
हाँ.
तिथं प्लॉट चेंज करायचं राहिलंय.
Okay. Plot is also remained. So instead of plot, we have to take it as a stem. Right? This is stem. ठीक है? और कुछ? Anything else is need to change? Okay, let's run it now. Step size, let's take it as 1. See, this is the answer. X must be same length as Y. तो यहाँ पे अभी showing like X must be same length as Y. Okay, 47 length. Or else if I suppress this step size also here, so directly we will get the signal. Step size आपको अगर देना ही नहीं है, directly like f equals to 100 if I take, or else let's take it as 20, 100 let's take. If I want to increase the time period, and let's take amplitude as 10. ठीक है? Then let's save it and run it. ऐसा सिग्नल आएगा आपको. Why this is not coming? Stem n comma ये. So sinusoidal signal. Then we have for this. Okay, so for this is for ramp signal, and for this unit step signal, so we have to change unit step signal के लिए यहाँ पे. So here as x equals to 0 to n minus 1, and then d equals to 1 comma n, and then stem x comma d. So इसका मतलब क्या है कि unit step we are just plotting, right? So we are just plotting the unit step signal. So therefore, the all values should be 1. So that's why we are writing it as d equals to 1 comma n. मतलब आपके जितने भी n का वैल्यू है, suppose if you are taking n equals to 5, right? So then, so the value will be, it's going to be like, what will be the value of n? 5 samples. Total 5 samples are going to be present there. So let us run this. Input character expression not valid in MATLAB. यहाँ पे n को डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा हमें अभी, because n is there, so n we need to define. Right? So this is the way how we will get the discrete time sinusoidal signal, discrete time ramp signal, and the discrete time unit step signal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any question here? Have you noted the programs? You please note down these programs for discrete time signal. Otherwise, I will just display it with the PPT so that थोड़ा बड़ा दिख सकता है वहाँ पे. Just note down this. So first you have to note down for this discrete time signal. Hope it is clear now. It is visible properly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You please note down once it. So please note down this second part. This is for the ramp signal and this is for the unit step signal. Or
Yes, sir.
okay. So any questions here? So if not, I think we will close the lab session here. We'll further continue the next experiment in the next class. Let me take the attendance.